Oh, I have no energy. Oh. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. We are here. It's actually a pretty nice day. Probably one of the nicest days we've had in a while. It's probably mid-80s. If I'm talking like I'm out of breath a little bit, it's because I'm just getting over the flu. So I'm still very winded. Got a little trouble breathing, but I need to get this done. We got about a month before the wedding and the car show. This has been sitting in the house for like 2 months now. It shouldn't be hard, so I want to get it done. As you see, I already got the car jacked up. That's probably the hardest part of the whole thing, besides tons of bolts to take off. But let's take a look. And we got jack stands on both sides. So today, what we're going to be doing is putting in the new liquid vinyl splitter. So to do that, the entire front fascia, which is the front bumper, has to come off of the vehicle. It's not hard, it's just very tedious, and there's a lot of bolts. So let's go see what we got inside. Okay, so one thing I would not advise is make sure when you get it, open it up, make sure there's nothing wrong with it. You have all the pieces. Between the Hurricane and everything, I just put it on the side, forgot about it. So we're gonna open it now and make sure everything's good to go so we can put it on the car. So it looks like everything's in really good shape. Oh yeah, those are pretty dope. I like those, all right. All right, so there she is. So it's actually pretty big. We got all the hardware and everything, so let's go get this bumper off. Man, look, it's a new day. I couldn't videotape while I was doing the splitter. For a couple of reasons. One is, like right now, just walking around because I'm still getting over the flu. I'm winded, I'm tired, I was huffing and puffing, but it was not an easy job. It was pretty tough. There's so many bolts. I don't know where these bolts come from. And I know people tell me like, man, at 170, 180 miles an hour, shit might fly. No, there's so many bolts. I don't even know where they all came from. I got bolts left over. I don't know if that's good. So I'm gonna troll you guys a little bit before I show you. Oh, it's right there. But I'm gonna put some stuff on real quick. I got these. These came in a while ago, and I meant to put them on. They're basically the stripes for the radiator and the strut tower bar. I was gonna wait because I was gonna do some powder coating and painting underneath, but just with everything going on with the wedding right around the corner, the car show, I haven't had time, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. I'll have to remove them when I do decide to paint the strut tower bar and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and get these installed. And another good news, we got the other side windshield wiper in, so we're gonna get that installed. So, all right, let's check this out. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the one for the strut tower because it's got the cutout for the brace. So we're gonna use this one here, and we're gonna line it up right on these lines right here. So this is actually pretty simple. It's got the cutout in the middle, so. So it's not too bad. That actually adds a little bit, not too tacky. This is going next, I promise you. Probably going with the Mishimoto or the Shelby. Let me know what you guys think. So that didn't come out too bad. It actually looks pretty good. Just a little something under the hood. So now we're gonna take the car, go wash it, get it looking halfway decent, and I'll show you guys how the splitter came out. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Well, before we head out, I found these from my last Mustang. I thought I'd put them in. Just some rock lights in the engine bay, add a little bit to it. Yeah, I don't know, it was real easy install. I thought it looked pretty good. You could change the lights, you can make it do different designs, play the music. I can't really show you because I'm using my phone to record. All Bluetooth, so, okay, now we're gonna go wash the car so we can show you guys the splitter. So, I don't know, what y'all think? I don't know, I don't think it's too bad. I kind of like it. I can't wait to see it tonight. So, all right, let's go. so splitter's installed, cool lights installed. I forgot to put the freaking other windshield wiper on that was in back order. Finally came in. We're gonna head over to the car wash now. She's filthy. Get her rinsed off so I get some great videos and photos to show you guys what the splitter looks like. It feels like this thing is like a foot longer in the front because I know it's there. I know it's not that long, but it just feels like it, and I'm just so nervous because, you know, the money it costs for this thing, the time it costs to put on, and I don't want to hit anything. I feel like even going straight, I should be going at an angle so I don't hit anything. See, like those bumps? I don't know. I don't know. We might have to get another daily driver. And now there's something in the middle of the road. I gotta swerve around. It looks like a piece of trash. We'll just go around it. I don't know what's going on. I know it's not that big of a difference. I mean, it's a splitter, so it's gonna add a little bit to the vehicle, but it just feels like it's like that long. I'm gonna hit something. And oh my God, be quiet, woman. Also, it wasn't an easy job. It's definitely a lot easier on a Mustang or a GT, but a GT350 with all the vent tubes for the brake cooling, the oil cooling lines. Oh my God, to disconnect all that and then line it all back up. And then bolts. There's so many bolts. How is there so many bolts in the front of this car? Oh my God, it's ridiculous. I have bolts left over. I'll probably be selling them. I don't know. I don't know. All right. I'm just happy it's done. Let's go get this mofo washed and get some pictures because I know you guys are dying to see what it looks like. I've been trolling y'all, so let's go. Well, the park was shut down, I guess, since the hurricane, so we came out here to a empty parking lot. We've had a few car shows out here, a couple of cars and coffee. Here she is. So, guys, want to see the splitter? I'm gonna show it to you right now. And there it is. Man, it does look good. I did go with the white pinstripe. I can take it off if I want to, but I thought it went really good with the whole stripe theme, or like the whole, you know, white on blue and black. So I like it. I think it came out good. I will never, ever, 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 ever do that again. It was a pain, man. It was a pain in my butt. It was hard. On another note, I took the clear wrap off the vinyls to match the stripes, and I think they came out really, really good. You got to be very careful with them. They are very, very thin. I got to get the glue off there, but that's it. But I think it looks really, really good. It just adds a little flavor to it. Not too much. Just adds a little bit to the engine. But man, that splitter does look good. I do like it. I do like the white on it. Just to give you an idea, it's very low. I mean, I can barely lift my foot. That gives you an idea. Let me get a bit lower to the ground, I'll show you. I'm not getting too low because this ground is hot, but give you an idea how low it is. But man, she does look so good though. And I went with the black tie rods, kind of angled them in a little bit. I wanted them to kind of flow with that there. It's not 100% perfect, but I think I did pretty good. She's coming along good, man. Oh, thanks to B-Morrow for those right there. Those stripes are from B-Morrow. So, and that sun is bright. I know a couple of you guys have asked me where I got the white GT350, the white inserts, and now the strut tie bar and radiator stripes all came from B-Morrow. I did a video. I did a lot of his stuff on my car. Stuff like the Cobra badge, all that came from him. He does really good vinyl work. He's got tons of stuff for the car. So anyway, I really hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry I didn't do an install video. Like I said, that'd have been a lot more work trying to film everything I had to do. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll let you know, and I'll help you mentally, not physically, because I'm not doing that again. There's so many bolts. I don't even know why there's so many bolts. So the car is starting to look really, really, really good. We're actually contemplating possibly adding a Shelby truck to the channel. We do need a truck, especially after the hurricane. I realize that more and more. Let me know what you guys think, man. Should we add a Shelby truck to the channel? Also, we have the other set of rims. We were thinking about powder coating them, maybe. Bronze, kind of gold. Not sure. Just something different. Maybe white. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think that we can do with the other rims. What color you guys want to see. I kind of just threw white out there, but I don't know. White might look kind of good. I don't know. So on that note, it's hot. I gotta get home. I gotta get a shower. I got things to do tonight. I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe. A lot of you guys are watching aren't subscribed to my channel. Let me know what you want to see, man. I'll get it done. I'll try to do the best I can. Let me know what you want to see next on the car. You guys have a great day. Again, thank you for all your support. I love you guys. Peace out.